Hey, I just wanted to show you this little trick that you can use with an oil filter, and it actually works with all kinds of oil filters that are straight up and down. So let's check it out. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Bearded Ford Tech. If you're new to the channel, welcome to. Here I'm doing an oil change on a 2014 F450 with the 6.7 Power Stroke, and I want to show you an oil filter trick that I used back when I was working on 18-wheelers, because the filter was so much bigger and they're full. So I started using this trick where I'm at now because I got tired of oil coming down all over me. And this trick will help DIY at home. It'll help all the technicians and dealerships and even independent shops. I know you guys have seen the cup trick where they put a cup up there and they unscrew the filter and the cup catches everything. That's a good trick. I don't feel like going through a whole bunch of cups though. But I'm going to set this down and turn it around, and I'm going to show you a little trick that you can use to minimize your mess. Alright, here we are up underneath. Obviously you can still see the oil draining from the oil pan. Here's the filter. The filter is located on the passenger side. All you're going to need for this is a screwdriver and a hammer. And your drain bucket, obviously. Center it. Let it drain. And this will help you, like I said, minimize your mess because the filter is full, and obviously I'm letting it drain out. Now when you unscrew it, you're still going to get some that comes out, but this helps a whole lot, so you're not trying to balance a filter and then it spills. And it'll also be like you're putting an empty filter up there, or it'll be a lot lighter because there's nothing in it. So we're going to let that drain for a minute. We're going to let that oil drain for a minute, and then we're going to come back. Okay, it's been about 2 or 3 minutes. You can still see a little stream coming out. All right, so I'm going to grab the filter. And let's see how much comes running down. A little bit. And that's basically it. I mean, I have my new filter over here. I'll let that run down for a minute. Got my new filter, and I did lube the O-ring, as you can see, so you guys don't bust my balls on that one. So you can see a little bit of it still ran down, but not as much as when you just go ahead and unscrew that filter. So I appreciate it. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.